How to merge clips in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to match or merge two clips in CapCut. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, import your clips. So here import two clips that you want to merge. So here just import it, and once you have imported the video, just drag your main video onto the timeline and drag your second video. And here once you have done adding them to the timeline, you can adjust the video size to their needs. So just adjust the video size, and once you're done with that, it's time to merge the clips. So here to turn both clips into one, just select both clips on your timeline, and after that just right click and a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu simply choose create compound clip, and now the two clips are merged into a single compound clip. Easy as that. And that's it. Now you have successfully matched and merged two clips in CapCut. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.